Hello guys, once again, it's me, the Oduwa blockchain group. This tutorial, we take you step by step on how to locate your wallet.dat file on your remote computer and back it up if your staking wallet crashed. So let's get to it. First of all, we're going to search and run the command, and we're going to hit to look at that folder and get percentage app data percentage, and then we're on the app data folder. You're gonna look at the folder we're looking for, which is dual coin, and now this is the wallet. What you have to do is just copy the wallet and just paste it anywhere, maybe your Dexter. That's it. It's already take a backup. That's the backup. And now you can close the wallet, so if anything happens, your wallet.dat file is safe. So pretty much that's it. Thank you.